This is how easy it is to create production-ready animations in Figma using the Lottie Files plugin. First, open Figma and create your animation using multiple frames. Design each frame the way you want the animation to look. Next, go to the Prototype tab. Set the first frame as the starting point, then connect the frames together in order. For each connection, set the transition to start after a delay so the animation plays automatically and loops. After that, open the Lottie Files plugin from the Plugins menu. Choose the option to export your animation and select the prototype flow you just created. Click Save to Workspace to generate the Lottie animation. Now, select the exported animation inside the plugin. From here, download the JSON file and share it with your developers. And that's how you create Lottie animations from Figma quickly and easily.